leg, gas pedal, slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal.
Hi, welcome back here on YouTube channel Kubay Design. Today, that's rainy day, sorry for that. We don't choose the weather, while we shoot a video, so let it be. Today we're gonna show you one more project for 6x6 rear body kit. That's a rear part of frame for 6x6, also with a special stand for this, with all the silent blocks, all the brackets, so it handles it while welding. It's very easy, it's very convenient while you welding a rear pickup body to the main G Wagon body. You cut it off, and to weld it properly you need all the measures, all the brackets should be stick together in one. So that really helps if you want to manufacture your 6x6 on its frequently timing, so that's the best decision you can choose. And gonna show you as it lays, so some little info. That's rear 6x6 pure carbon fiber Fender flares. You see the quality of carbon fiber, it's very professional made, it's very lightweight, not a fiberglass wrapped with carbon, pure carbon fiber. So also the rear ones and the front ones land here, so you can check the quality behind. As for front and rear guards for this car, our buyer chosen a stainless steel chrome front and rear skid plate. It's called skid plate. It defends an engine at front and a gas fuel tank at rear. Here I can show you. That's the rear guard with the roll bar and all the brackets. These are LED Brabus LED illuminated door seals, interior metallic ones. I won't unwrap it because you see it's rainy day today. Well, you should believe me on my word, or you can choose by a link below for this LED on our previous videos, so I just lay it here. As for about other stuff, it's 6x6 middle one power divider box. Well, with the special brackets, it mounts on a rear pickup body, also with the frame, and it connects the said rear axle and the middle one. Our buyer chose the real 6x6, so it would be a real 6x6 with all the cardan shafts and everything. This G63 AMG said rear axle, which would be connected with this power divided box, also called transfer box. Well, that's as for about technical stuff. As for about decorative stuff, you can see front carbon fiber LED lip spoiler, also made with totally pure carbon fiber. As you may know, here on our service we do not make any like cheap carbon or overlaying carbon, only pure carbon fiber. So the rear pickup body, you've seen it previously on our previous videos. That's another one for our happy customer. Well, and it completes with the glasses, 3 pieces for rear pickup. Here, there and there, our happy customer decided to make a real 6x6 with a power divider box and to lift it like also original. He chose a T-Bus off-road portal system. Well, cannot show here, but these portals would be transferred to our customer directly via DHL, because we and T-Bus Off-Road Originals are the partners, the original partners, and due to coronavirus nowadays it's not so affordable to transfer here and there and worldwide just for one package. So when our customer receives the T-Bus portals, when he installs it on a car. I'll show you the final car and the final result. Our buyer chose fiberglass rear long moldings. Just to show you. For the whole length of the pickup body, you know. That's how it looks. Also, with the chrome roll bar here, as for chrome to match the chrome guards, and it also made with the pure stainless steel. I want to ensure your attention that all our parts that are made for Mercedes are Mercedes original, also as G63 axle, also as power divider box, manufactured with our own, and that's the total metallic rear pickup body, not a fiberglass or not a reinforced fiberglass plastic or something like that. Pure metal. And it's strong, it won't be screwed up, you know, while driving, won't be rusting, it's rust free, the quality is really perfect. And of course, rear door with the door handles, with all the mechanisms, with all the brackets needed, everything like original, and the yacht woods. That's it. Thank you for your attention. I hope you liked video. Tried my best, really bad weather, but that's not a match for real business, for real customers, for real sellers. That's good that even in that nowadays, due to coronavirus, due to everything, we are trying to keep our best business, to match our main goal, and to ensure you that the quality and the staff professionalism is very high quality. So put your likes, comment this video, share with your friends, and hope you like it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Hella thick, I wanna smash 'em all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. And you already know me, S-A-G-E. Gas pedal, look, gas pedal. Black money, let them all say amen. I'm just trying to make it clear, boy, Ray-Bans. I'm a great man, whoa, say friend. I play a whole late night DJ, A-man, room full of boppers. Tell them give me topper, beat it up, 911, hit the coppers. I'm S-A-G-E, who would like to know? B545, large me in your throat.